Hello guys, I am on my way going to Carriacou. That is my island. That's where I was born and raised as a young child. And we're leaving Grenada right now and flying from Grenada to Carriacou. Okay, so stick with me, follow me, and enjoy the ride. Okay guys, we're about to approach my island, Carriacou. And as you can see, it's raining out there. The weather is not nice at all. Though the flight is really smooth. It's really good. Remember, Grenada has the three different islands. It's Grenada, Carriacou, and Martinique. And I was born on this island. Martinique is a bit smaller than Carriacou. Hey, welcome home to me. Yeah, that's it. Welcome home to me. And Grenada, Carriacou had the month of June a really bad hurricane that really devastated the highland, and many homes were lost. Thank God, lives wasn't really lost. I think there was only like three deaths due to the hurricane, but homes were destroyed, and which included my home that was fairly being built. So it's kind of bittersweet feeling being here. You could follow me as I go ahead and show you what's going on my island. Okay, again, it's Janae. Subscribe and follow me so you can see what's going on in Carriacou.
Those of you looking on sail, we ask that you use caution on existing aircraft. Hold on to the handrail and watch your step. Those of you continue on to Agals, we ask that you remain aboard. We should be up shortly. Thank you.
Oh, it was raining here. Yeah, it was raining. So the steps might be slippery.
Any wheelchairs? Lady here needs a wheelchair. Thank you.
Let's go. Oh yeah, good, good. Yes. I'm sorry? Okay. This is the way we go through, right?
Yes.
Go through here? Huh? Yes. So I have to wait right here. Okay. Okay guys, we're waiting for the luggages, and after that then we're good to go. Famous Paradise Beach. Paradise Beach is named one of the best beach in the Caribbean, and of course, this is in Grenada.
Beach
This
view,
is in Carriacou,
beach
my
vibes.
island. As you see, it has lovely white sand you can walk on. The water is very shallow that even a child could bathe in there without
Just
being
easily doing
pushed
a
down by
walkthrough
waves. The waves are
here on
very
the beach.
limited, and it's just beautiful. It's free, it's open, it's not crowded, and you always have a nice vibes on Paradise Beach. All right, guys, I'm still here. Country living, country style, country chicken, the best of the best, the best of the best. Such a humbling experience to live here. Everything naturally grown. Okay, this is a fruit we call five finger. Makes one of the best juice. You could eat this like that, right? This one sweet. It's sweet. Oh wow, it's loaded. Hey, the tree is loaded. Yeah, and peas. This is one of the natural food that is grown in Carriacou. Peas. We call it pigeon peas. I think that's the correct name, but some people call it gungo peas. This is the beauty of the island. Natural food, natural everything. Hey. This is lemongrass. This is an old time oven. This is how people used to bake back then. But it has it when you're finished, it has one of the tastiest bread and pastries and cake and in the whole world. I mean, this is like the best of the best. Old-fashioned oven, as you see right here. Okay guys, I'm here. This is side of the island. It's called Mount Royal, but we call it Ravine because it's all the way down in the bottom. As you see, this is where I was born. This house right here, of course, is really renovated, but this is this spot right here. This is where I was born and I grew up as a young child. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
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 Bye-bye.
All of this papaya good. But when you go ripe,
That's a green papaya.
did I ask you? Oh. Okay. Hey. Yeah, yes. All right.
Okay, Tanti. Yes. Okay, Tanti, I'm making you a little video with your house there. Sorry that you get damaged and forget the storm name, but sorry you get damaged in the storm. This is what it look like from the decking. See what your house look like. Everybody get damaged, but some people get it worse than some. And this is what your deck look like. This is what everything around you look like. This is on top your step. This is the board. This is your knee. This is some of the neighbors out there. Some of the neighbors out there. All the neighbors in the area will get damaged as well. Like Popo them. I don't see them too good. They are not too close. A big white house down the corner they get damaged. The one close to your house they're building the way you're building. You got a shed, somebody now starting something. But sorry that you get damaged so bad. Right now your house is like a makeover again. Everything is on the ground, Auntie. Sorry. But don't worry, you're alive, you could able to do something again. So do something again with the strength. With the strength and the willing and the power of God, you're going to rise again. So for now, this is what you look like. This is what your house look like. Anyway, you're going to make it. This is the decking in the back here. This is the decking here. This is the way like, start to put your...
And this is a picture of the house before the hurricane.